The harmonic frequency. Interactive calculator solves for harmonic frequencies, fundamental frequencies, wavelengths, and other wave properties in engineering applications. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate harmonic frequency, calculate fundamental frequency, calculate harmonic number, calculate wavelength from harmonic, string wire harmonic frequency, and open pipe harmonic frequency. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Harmonic Frequency. The input fields include fundamental frequency F0 in Hertz, harmonic number N, harmonic frequency Fn in Hertz, wave speed V in meters per second, string pipe length L in meters, tension T in newtons, and linear density M in kilograms per meter. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for the fundamental frequency, 10 for the harmonic number, and 10 for all other fields to demonstrate the calculation. After clicking Calculate, the result shows 100,000 Hertz, which is the calculated harmonic frequency. The calculator also provides additional outputs. The period is 10^1000 milliseconds, telling us the time for one complete cycle, and the angular frequency is 628.319 radians per second, which represents the rate of change of the phase angle. This tool streamlines harmonic analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.